Again, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we're on board our 36-foot Sea Ray Sundancer. It's a 2003, and it doesn't get any better than this. I've sold a lot of Sea Rays in my lifetime. This is one of the cleanest I've seen. It doesn't smell, and the owners have kept it in top condition. Look at this. Look at the cherry, or the, what is that, cherry wood interior on it. It has an island queen berth forward, so it's easy to get into the boat. Unfortunately, I'm going to be in the video. I try not to be. Hanging lockers, port and starboard. Nice big berth, and then your galley to to port here with a separate fridge and a separate freezer compartment, hot and cold pressure water, Corian countertop, two burner electric stove. This boat has a 2019 generator. Yes, 2019, with virtually no time on it. Huge features, been upgraded. The engines have I believe 1,200 hours on them. We will be going over the hours and the engines and the maintenance on that when we do when we do our startup video, as well as an engine room compartment video. Another nice feature is a dehumidifier that you see on the boat. That shows the owners that take care of their boats, keep the moisture down in the boat. But the upholstery is in great shape. The carpets are really nice as well. This boat does not smell. It's ready to go boating today. Somebody's going to end up with a great 360 Sea Ray Sundancer. Again, we really appreciate you watching our videos. And then into the wet head, you have a large vacuum flush system head. It's called a wet head. Well, it's not really a wet head because they do have the sliding doors there. You can see, you can pull this so that it doesn't get, you pull this around or something like that. Maybe you have to have the door closed, I don't know. But you can see it's got the plexiglass there to make it into a separate shower so you don't get the whole shower wet. You can see the track along the bottom there. Vanity sink. So it is not a wet head. It has a separate shower compartment or ability to have the separate shower in there if you want. And then the aft cabin, we have it folds out into a large double-sized berth. You can sleep 2 in the back, 2 here, and 2 in the front, comfortably 6 if you so choose. And then you have your electrical panel right here. So you have 2 lines. You have your 110 power up top. You got your generator starting. And then you also have your 12-volt systems down below, battery switches, etc. So we will be doing startup videos. We'll be doing engine room compartment video for you too, so you can see what this boat is all about. PacificCoastYachtSales.com, 604-708-1980. Thanks for watching.